Smart Device from Liebherr. Enjoy the convenience of smart living and discover the many benefits of being able to control your refrigerator or freezer at any time and from any place. Smart Device from Liebherr prepares your refrigerator for the future. Liebherr appliances can be easily retrofitted with a Smart Device box. This applies to all Smart Device models. Smart Device appliances can be quickly and conveniently registered on the My Liebherr portal. The intuitive control panel enables clear and easy program navigation. Smart Home Plus gives you access to settings and the appliance status from everywhere. Service Plus provides optimized functions and service options, and Safety Plus ensures that your private data is protected. Conveniently control the temperature and many other settings via a computer, smartphone or tablet. Alarm messages, such as the door alarm if the door is not fully closed, are instantly sent to your smartphone or tablet. As a result, you can always respond quickly. Whether super cool or super frost, for optimum freshness, many functions can be set online while still out and about. See the many benefits of Smart Device appliances for yourself. Control the refrigerator from any of your devices. Obtain a clear view of status messages at all times. Enjoy multiple new service options. Receive optimum data protection. In short, everything is boxed together with Smart Device from Liebherr.